ready? Are you excited? Are you excited? Is this like the best day of your life? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Is it good or not? Oh, it's good.
Yeah? Are you gonna eat it?
And wait till we get to mix other stuff in there, buddy. Last day in February. First day of cereal. Cereal, not just bottle cereal. And we're gonna have a good food coma after this.
Nums? Is it good stuff?
Faster, Mommy, faster. Then again.